Moscow has started using the latest Harpoon 3 complexes for the first time. Talking about the new types of weapons that the armed forces of the Russian Federation use during their military operations, journalists refer to their own source of information in law enforcement agencies. The Russian Federation announced the use of the latest handheld anti-drone systems Harpoon 3. Against drones, the AFU Russian units successfully use the latest handheld anti-drone systems. During their own Harpoon 3, enemy drones are drunk with an electromagnetic pulse, told Russian observers of the TASS agency the source of the information. In addition, the interlocutor noted that the anti-corruption complexes show high efficiency of use, and convenient to use. According to him, it is enough for a serviceman to point the antenna of the device in the direction of the drone, after which the drone's electronics lose the ability not only to determine their location but also interrupts communication with the operator of the goods, while the source of information did not specify which operational areas of the theater of military operations actions with it are applied. The above complexes